Why seniors feel changes in their legs. After 60. There is something fascinating happening inside the body as we age. Something subtle, gradual, and easy to overlook, yet powerful enough to change how the legs feel from day to day. Many people over 60 notice shifts that seem to appear quietly. Feet that don't stay warm like they used to, legs that feel heavier after short walks, or a tightening that shows up at night when trying to sleep. Most adults assume these sensations are unavoidable signs of aging, but experts today believe the story is much more nuanced. As we get older, the body becomes less efficient at supporting smooth circulation, especially in the legs and feet. This doesn't mean something is wrong. It simply means the body's natural rhythms are changing, just as our flexibility, sleep patterns, and energy levels change with time. One reason many seniors notice these leg sensations is that the body becomes less responsive to certain internal signals that help blood vessels stay flexible. When flexibility decreases, the legs may feel heavier, cooler, or slower to wake up during the day. These changes aren't dangerous in themselves, but they can be frustrating, uncomfortable, and limiting, especially for people who enjoy walking, gardening, traveling, or simply staying active. But here's the encouraging insight. While aging is natural, many of the uncomfortable sensations people feel in their legs are influenced by daily habits, hydration, movement patterns, and the kinds of foods and drinks they consume. Small adjustments, even something as simple as choosing the right morning drink, can help the body feel supported and energized in a noticeable way. Across the United States and Europe, many seniors have been experimenting with natural drinks that help them feel more warmth in their feet, more ease during movement, and less of the heaviness that made daily activities tiring. These aren't medicines or treatments. They're simply foods and drinks that may help the body feel more awake and supported. Before we reveal the drink many seniors are talking about, it helps to understand what's going on inside the legs. Not in a medical or diagnostic sense, but in a simple, everyday way anyone can relate to. As adults grow older, the body gradually loses some of its efficiency when it comes to helping the legs feel light, warm, and energized. This is largely due to normal age-related changes in the body's internal communication systems. Think of your circulatory system like a network of roads. When you're younger, those roads are wide, flexible, and easy to travel. With age, the roads may feel tighter or slower to respond. This doesn't mean they're blocked. It simply means they're less flexible than before. Many seniors describe sensations like a slight heaviness after walking, mild tightening in the calves at night, toes that get cool faster, swelling that appears toward evening, a burning or tingling sensation after standing too long. These sensations can be influenced by hydration, daily movement, diet, extended sitting, or even stress. And because they develop slowly, people often assume they're unchangeable. But the truth is, the body is constantly adapting. What surprises many seniors is how responsive the legs can be when supported consistently through simple lifestyle choices. For example, staying gently hydrated improves overall body comfort. Light daily movement keeps the legs from feeling stagnant. Certain foods and drinks may help the body feel more energized. Evening salt reduction helps some people feel lighter the next morning. When these supportive habits come together, many adults report feeling more comfortable, more balanced, and more confident in their mobility. This leads us to today's topic. The morning drink many seniors are excited about, not because it treats or cures anything, but because it helps them feel more awake, energized, and comfortable throughout the day. One of the most talked about natural drinks among older adults is fresh beetroot juice. Not the sugary blends, not flavored mixes, simply pure, fresh beetroot. Seniors across the US, UK, Canada, Germany, France, and many other regions say it gives them a warm, energized feeling in their legs and helps their days start with more ease. Why do people love this drink? Beets naturally contain plant compounds that help the body feel awake and supported. These compounds are not medicines. They're simply nutrients found in a whole vegetable that has been part of traditional diets for centuries. Some seniors describe feeling a gentle warmth in their feet after drinking it. Others say their legs feel lighter or that their steps feel smoother. These reports aren't medical claims. They're personal experiences. The same way someone might say green tea helps them relax or ginger tea helps them feel refreshed. People also love beetroot juice because it pairs so well with simple supportive habits. A warm glass of water in the morning, a slow 5-minute walk after drinking it, a moment of deep breathing, a calm start to the day, reducing salty evening snacks. Many seniors say that when they combine beetroot juice with these gentle habits, they start the day feeling more grounded, more energized, and more connected to their body. Beetroot juice doesn't promise fast fixes or medical outcomes, but for many older adults, it becomes a meaningful part of their morning, a small ritual that makes the body feel supported, warm, and ready for movement. And in the next section of video, we continue exploring natural morning habits that help seniors feel more balanced, more comfortable, and more confident in their legs throughout the day. As people move through their 60s and beyond, they often begin noticing changes in how their legs feel: slight heaviness after walking, cooler feet in the evenings, or a sense that their muscles take longer to wake up. These experiences are extremely common, and they are usually related to how the body naturally changes with age. One of the biggest shifts that occurs is how efficiently the body maintains vessel flexibility and overall circulatory comfort. Experts now understand that a key part of this shift is linked to the body's natural ability to produce nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood vessels stay relaxed and responsive. As this natural production decreases over the years, many older adults begin feeling sensations they never noticed in their younger decades. This doesn't mean something is wrong. It simply means the body is changing, and those changes can influence how the legs feel throughout the day. What many seniors don't realize is that certain foods and beverages naturally support healthy circulation and vessel relaxation. Among these options, one has gained attention, not as a cure or treatment, but as a simple, nourishing choice that many older adults enjoy adding to their morning routine: beetroot juice. Fresh, naturally rich beet juice contains plant-based nitrates that the body can use to support healthy nitric oxide levels. When consumed as part of a balanced lifestyle, many seniors say they feel a sense of warmth, looseness, or renewed comfort in their legs. These reports are personal experiences, not guaranteed results, but they highlight how powerful food can be in influencing overall vitality and wellness. A retired postman from Arizona once described his first week adding beetroot juice to his routine. He said it felt like, "My legs remembered how to feel energized again." Likewise, a woman in Dublin shared that after years of cold toes, she felt a gentle warmth return during her morning walks. These stories are meaningful because they show how everyday nutrition decisions can influence how people feel. So why does beetroot juice receive so much attention? Not because it's a miracle drink, and certainly not because it replaces any medical advice or treatment. Instead, it's valued for its nutrient profile, natural nitrates, antioxidants, and compounds that support overall wellness. When these nutrients circulate through the body, many seniors describe feeling more energetic, more comfortable on their feet, or more at ease during daily activities. The soothing pigments in beets, called betalains, are known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help support the body's natural defenses, which can be especially helpful for older adults. Many seniors also appreciate how beetroot juice complements healthy habits they are already working on, such as stretching, staying active, staying hydrated, and practicing deep breathing. None of these habits work in isolation, but together they create a gentler, more supportive environment for the body to maintain comfort and ease. This is why beetroot juice is often paired with warm water in the morning, calming teas like hibiscus in the evening, and slow movement throughout the day. Not because these habits treat circulation issues, but because they encourage the body's natural rhythms and help people feel more balanced and energized. A man from New Jersey described the combination perfectly when he said, "I didn't change everything. I just added small routines that made my legs feel lighter." These changes don't replace professional care, but many seniors find that they make everyday living feel smoother, steadier, and more enjoyable. The most remarkable part of this entire journey isn't just the physical sensations seniors describe, it's the emotional shift that comes with feeling more connected to their bodies. When the legs feel comfortable and responsive, people move more. When people move more, they feel stronger. When they feel stronger, they feel more confident. And confidence is one of the greatest gifts of healthy aging. Many older adults say the simple act of adding a nourishing drink to their morning routine makes them feel proactive, hopeful, and empowered. It becomes more than a beverage. It becomes a signal to the body that they are taking care of themselves. And when paired with gentle habits like mindful breathing, light evening walks, or reduced salt intake at night, the effect becomes a daily ritual of wellness. A woman from Virginia said she realized how much she had been avoiding simple activities, not because she couldn't do them, but because she didn't trust how her legs would feel. After embracing her new routine, she felt comfortable enough to walk through her garden again without stopping. Likewise, a grandfather from Ontario described how making these changes helped him enjoy time with his grandchildren without feeling like he needed to rest every few minutes. These stories are deeply personal, but they demonstrate what emotional renewal looks like when people feel more in control of their own bodies. Healthy aging is not about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that support daily strength, comfort, and confidence. And if beetroot juice or any supportive habit makes someone feel more energized, more mobile, or more connected to life, then that habit becomes powerful. Not medically, but emotionally. Not clinically, but personally. And as always, these wellness choices never replace medical guidance. They simply complement it.